Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Kajidataonline. In this video, I'm going to share with you a very quick example of using the QGIS quantum GIS in analyzing the geospatial data. I got the point data, and after that I'm going to count how many data are going to be plotted inside the polygon, or we are going to use the vector analysis here as count point and polygon. But interestingly, today I'm going to discuss in a quite new method by using the Python code. Okay, so first of all, this is the example of my data, and then I got the dummy case. Dummy case here is basically a random point number that are being generated in distributed evenly in all the district area of the Sabah state, just for the educational purposes. So we are going to generate this kind of polygon, and then after that we are going to count how many points are going to be overlapped on this polygon file. So to run the Python code, you can find it inside my GitHub page, and I'm going to attach the link in the description of this video. So of course you can go to the Pythons and then focus on the Python console as shown in the video just now, and then you can click this button. Okay, so this button show the editor that enable yourself to open the new Python code. So you can also copy paste all the code that are already being shared inside the GitHub repository. So I'm just going to open the code. Okay, so this is the basic code. The idea of utilizing all these code are going to be discussed elsewhere, which is I'm planning to share with you the idea on each of the component in a later time. So this is just giving you an idea about what Python can capable of delivering the automation in terms of analyzing our geospatial data. So first of all, we need to import some libraries, and then we do some initializations and focus on the specific path for our CSV file, which is our point data. And then after that we are going to name the file, and then followed by naming the variables, and then after we focusing on the variable why not, and then we are going to specify our shapefile. So our shapefile is nothing more than just a state polygon file, consists of separated district in Sabah region of Malaysia. And then after that we are going to use the vector analysis count point and polygon. So to run this code, you can just simply copy all the codes that are going to be shared with you. You need to adjust your output, you need to adjust your output of the polygon also, whatever polygon that you have, and then you can adjust the name, and then you can adjust also the variable name. So this one probably very useful, especially if you got a lot of written data, or we call it as a continuous surveillance data that we want to analyze it every week or every day. So we no need to use the vector analysis manually using our hand, despite we can just run the simple Python script, and then after that going to be generated the output that what we want. So I'm going to run the script right now. So automatically, if you can see, around less than 1 second, the case file over here are going to be generated and put on the layer, and then I got also the shape file with regard to the dummy case. So if I open these attributes tables, I can see that we got the ID, X and Y coordinate, and then we got the gender, year, week, children, income, houses, and also education. So all of these data are going are already being tabulated. So this is the example of the output is already being produced automatically after you run the script. You can also open the case file over here, and then you can open the attributes. You can see we got the num points over here. So the num points is actually counting how many points that are located in each of the district. Okay, so let me rerun back so that you can appreciate the action by using this Python code. So I need to remove all the possible output that are going to be that already being generated based on the previous script running. So I'm going to delete this one first. So this is the directory of my folder, and then after that I got this 0typecode.py, which is a Python script. Then I'm going to click the run button over here, and maybe 1 or 2 seconds after that the output are going to be produced something like this. So you can see the case file is associated with the count point and the polygon of the polygon itself based on the district, how many countings of the point already been computed inside each of the polygon in each of the district. And then we got the dummy case here. Original file is a CSV, and now it's already been changed into the spatial, or we call it as a vector point data, which is named as a dummy case 1. So in a nutshell, because this is a very short tutorial just to give you an idea what the Python can do for your QGIS. So in the next lesson or in the next video, I may want to explore more in terms of asking the computer to do some sort of filtration, and then going to follow up the case even much more in a deeper manner, and then perhaps we can also analyze it using the more advanced features and also publish it in the website and so on. So until then, I think this is a very quick short video. Hopefully you can benefit from the idea of using Python to automate the process of using QGIS, and then you can also give a comment what kind of video that you probably want to learn, and then what kind of Python scripts that you willing to spend time with me together learning the process of generating those Python code, so that we benefit in automate all of the geospatial analysis. Until then, see you again next time. Sekian, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.